Hello guys! Today we're going to have a small topic and we will talk about three words: should, need to, and can. Now I think these words can be really useful for meetings when you talk with your coworkers or your clients, and they can help you to explain yourself better, to say things more clearly, and probably just to sound better. So let's start. The first word is should. Should is used to describe what is best in a given situation. What is the best possible option? For example, the program interface should be easy to use. So you are in a meeting, you're discussing the program interface, and you think that the most important thing is that it is easy to use. So that's what you can say. It should be easy to use. Now, in everyday speech, you would use should to give advice. For example, you shouldn't talk with clients like that. Now, pay attention. In positive sentence, should is just should. In negative sentences, we say shouldn't. We don't say don't should or didn't should. We don't use any additional words to make negative sentences. Just add not to should. Shouldn't. Shouldn't. Okay, and one more very important thing. We do not use to after should. Do not say I should to do something. No, I should do something. And in questions, you would just put should at the beginning of the sentence. Should I talk to our boss about this? Okay, the next one is need to. They need to test this code. Need is used to describe what we have to do. Well, probably before you usually used must for this situation, and probably you also used must instead of should. That's also possible. But must is not always the best option. It's very, very harsh. Like we are in the army, we must do this. So it's better to use need to. They need to test this code. And the negative sentence, we do not need to run setups on all the servers. Now, please look at the sentences with should. You shouldn't talk with clients like that. And at the sentence with need. We don't need to run setups on all the servers. Can you see the difference between those two sentences? Well, yes. With need to, we use don't and we use to after need, right? With shouldn't, as I said before, no additional words and no to. So need actually acts like a normal verb in a sentence, like go, like play, like work. I need to do something. I do not need to do something. So we use additional words like don't or do in questions, and we use to after the verb need. The last one is can. Users can access information in the cloud. So we use can to say that something is possible. We also can use can't to say that something is impossible. We cannot do this. It's impossible. We cannot install this software on this computer. The next one, can you assign different values to a variable? So we can use can to ask if something is possible. But please remember, we do not use to after can, the same as with should. Non-native speakers sometimes make this mistake. They say, I can't do this. No, we don't use to after can. So can actually acts the same way as should. It makes the question by itself and the negative sentences, and there is no to after it. So this is it. I told you it's going to be easy. And now it's time for practice, for a little drill. So you have to rewrite these sentences using should, need, or can. Let's start. The best thing to do, the best possible option, it should. Next one. What algorithm do I need to use? We use do with need. Let's move on. You cannot, or you can't. You can use both. Number 4. The best solution is in a situation should. We should call a meeting. Number 5. It's possible you can do this. Okay, this is it. So as usual, you can find the worksheet after the lesson. Please do all the exercises and check them with the answer sheet. Goodbye!